Well boys, back for another video. This is going to be a little bit of a interesting video. This may go good, this may go bad. I really don't know, but we're going to try it anyway. Basically, I was given a multimeter, an analog multimeter, yesterday, and I noticed some nice little wet spots on it. Found out to come that after I took it all apart, see all the lovely awesome wetness in there. Found out that this there battery has leaked dramatically, spilling its guts all over the inside of the unit here. The meter, I have no idea if it works or not, but we're going to try and clean it up, salvage it, and had a quick read online that you can use white vinegar to neutralize the alkaline. So it's not a battery acid that's in these batteries, it's an alkaline. So the first thing we got to do is get the battery out, dispose of it, and then I need to neutralize the alkaline that's on this. So there's the nasty battery. It's an old Rayovac. Dispose of that like so. And then get my little container, dump some vinegar into that. Apparently you have to use white vinegar for this. It's an acid on it. Apparently it neutralizes alkaline. I guess we're going to find out. One way or the other. Alright. So according to the instructions, you dab the alkaline onto whatever is corroded, which we see all it's actually blue alkaline. So I'm just going to literally clean up the inside cover with the vinegar. White vinegar, I might add. It says you have to use white vinegar for this, as it does neutralize the alkaline. And the alkaline itself has like a sandy, real fine grit type of feel to it when you just like that. Throw that away. Dry off this. This will work on a circuit board. But there we have it. Cleaned out. clean out the contacts, battery contacts, the exact same way. White vinegar. Not sure how long the battery's been in there, but a leaky battery is never good, no matter how long it's been in there. It's amazing, you know, how it just builds up on everything, including wire. Even got into the contacts for the probes on the meter. Even on the back of the meter. So I don't know how well the meter is going to work after this. Best thing to do is just remove this. All this old paper. From the meter altogether. The dab. Remove all the old crud. It's like top of the board, maybe got a little bit. I know some of you are saying, "Oh God, boys, don't put vinegar on. Don't do that. You'll ruin the circuitry." Well, you know something? There's already acid or alkaline already on the board everywhere. And if you don't try to do something with it, it's ruined anyway. So, what difference does it make? You know what I mean? What difference does it make? If you don't clean it, it's dead. If you use this, you're taking a chance at it and killing it. Either way, it's going to die. Like that, right? Dab it. Let's clean up the so even the alkaline even got onto the fuse contact. See, I was after changing blue. Now got a bluish color to it. I'm gonna get a new cloth. I'm gonna see if we can change the blue to a normal color. Maybe. There you go. Change it blue to silver. So this is working. So what I need to do, possibly, is try and get this meter apart so I can get the circuit board, you know, underneath here. Let's see if I can get that apart. Okay, so that's not coming off. This is not coming off, so I can't get this board out. So I'm going to give it some contact cleaner, and hopefully when you look, contact cleaner I'm using is alcohol based, so it leaves no residue behind. I don't like the fact that this is on the meter on the meter contacts here, but it's the old glue that was from the sticker that was over top of that. Doesn't look like this will come off without a fight, so I'll have to leave it be. So, the way the meter was stored, luckily it was on its back. So the meter, the alkaline never got into the inside of the meter or anything, which is good. So it was kind of stored on its front, like on its back, but kind of lifted up, so it kind of built up around the bottom. So there we go. Yeah. See if it works. Okay, so the meter's still not working right, so I had to remove the board from the unit, and so you can still see some damage here, some blue still on the fuse, and a little bit still on the contacts, so the contacts are still dirty, and the contacts inside the meter here are also dirty, or alkaline on them, or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can clean this all up with the vinegar. See what happens. Okay. Some vinegar again. Put on the contacts here. Alkaline, it gets over everything. Dry it off some. Sure there's no more alkaline on the board. It doesn't look like there is. Little contacts. The little contacts. Oh, little contact. Oh, you filthy contact. I'm just using a cloth. Nothing else. Paper towel. Alright. So, make sure switch still on the off position where I had it. Reset the board. I gotta screw these guys here in first. And see that? So alkaline does. So I gotta put new wire on these. These red and black, because those are bad. Okay, so I had the meter put on a 13-volt power supply. Going about 12 or so. I adjusted the needle a little bit, but she seems to be reading on voltage, just DC. Let's try her on continuity. Well, this is on continuity, and not getting full reading back from that. Had to replace a few of the wires that was in here, and everything started falling apart. So the alkaline got into the wiring, rotted it out. Yeah. And even when she's in continuity and the leads are not touching, the needle is still staying at a roughly about all the way back there. Well, try it again. The meter is right about right here. This position. So, pretty sure the meter is roasted, unfortunately. But it's a cheap meter, and unfortunately, yeah, she's parts. I got a meter anyways. But that's what happens when you get alkaline battery leaks inside of electronics. They severely damage them at times. And in this case, the meter is pretty much unusable. And I wouldn't even dare try to put AC onto this thing. Not a chance. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll chat later. Again, it's basically a warning that alkaline batteries do leak and can certainly damage your prized electronics. Anyways, remove your batteries when your equipment is not being used. Save yourself the headache of damage like that. Hey guys, 7-3. It's Reno 63. We're out of here.